Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Datadog and SolarWinds. Datadog is a cloud-based IT management and observability platform designed for modern IT environments. It provides monitoring for infrastructure, applications, logs, and security all in one place. Users can create customizable dashboards to track performance metrics, receive alerts in real time, and analyze data across complex systems. Datadog supports over 800 integrations, including AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Kubernetes, Docker, and many popular databases and apps, making it highly flexible for organizations with diverse tech stacks. It also offers features like AI-powered anomaly detection, application performance monitoring, and end-to-end visibility, which help teams quickly identify and resolve issues. Datadog is especially suitable for mid to large-sized organizations with cloud-native or hybrid environments that need scalable, real-time monitoring across multiple systems. SolarWinds provide a comprehensive suite of IT management tools, including Network Performance Monitor or NPM and Security Event Manager or SEM. NPM allows deep monitoring of network devices, servers, and applications using SNMP, and offers advanced troubleshooting tools like NetPath for network path visualizations and PerfStack for performance analysis. SEM centralizes log management, provides real-time event correlation, and helps with compliance reporting. SolarWinds is particularly strong for on-premises networks and medium-sized infrastructures where detailed network monitoring and device management are critical. It also supports automated alerts, reporting, and historical data analysis. While it has fewer cloud-native integrations compared to Datadog, its traditional monitoring tools are very powerful for managing complex network infrastructures. If your organization relies heavily on cloud-based system, modern applications, and needs real-time analytics with broad integration support, Datadog is the better choice. If your focus is on traditional on-premises network, server and device management, and detailed network troubleshooting, SolarWinds is more suitable. Overall, Datadog excels in modern, scalable, and cloud-native environments, while SolarWinds is best for traditional network-focused IT setups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.